collection. This is Helmet Pig. He comes on the really last level. And I have all the birds as a sock and blanket, in a blanket and towel. And
what is that you're holding, sir?
And here's my pillow. It has 2 sides.
Oh my, the red bird. And the pigs.
My really that's all I have today.
Oh, and what is that one behind you? What is that red one with the big peak? Right here, Jane, is that a hat?
Oh yeah, these are
Can you please try it on for us?
Okay. Oh,
You can let go of the pillow if you like.
it's okay there?
Oh, it's standing up all by itself. Look at that. They're strong. You need to get your little
This is my
slingshot out.
This is my Angry Bird hat.
Pull it down a little bit so we can see the eyes. And where'd you get that hat from?
Grandma bought it from Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, eh?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
That's
So,
all I have for
and
today.
where's your boomerang pig? Or your boomerang bird? And what does he do, Jaden?
He goes like this. He comes back up.
Oh, he's a boomer, so he goes and then he comes back.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. Well, thank you very much for your time. Can I have a thumbs up, please? And Angry Birds rock.
Angry Birds rock.
Woohoo!